Hi everyone, this is Elisa and we are going to talk about some of the new protections that Etsy has put into place for its sellers during the holiday season. Okay, so what Etsy is doing for us sellers is during the holiday season, they are actually doubling the purchase protection coverage for sellers. Now, what that means to you is that refunds on qualifying orders will now be covered up to $500 instead of the current $250. Again, refunds on qualifying orders will now be covered up to $500. Okay? So that's a really good thing for us sellers. The limit used to be $250, but Etsy is bumping this up to $500. So if you sell something and it's $400 order, they're going to cover you all the way up there until you hit 5. If your order is over 600, then you'll be covered up to 5. This enhanced coverage applies to orders that are placed between November 1st and December 31st, okay? So any order placed between November 1st and December 31st qualifies for this new protection. Over 99% of orders will now be covered if they meet the eligibility requirements. And sellers can keep their earnings even if refunds have been given back to shoppers. So let's go over that again. Sellers can keep their earnings even if Etsy refunds the shopper. Sellers can keep their earnings even if Etsy refunds the shopper. That's pretty cool. But these issues are outlined, okay? So let's say that the order doesn't arrive. Now, despite our best efforts, we know that sometimes things happen. And even me, as you can see here, I personally drive my packages to the post office and drop them off, but sometimes a customer will say, I didn't get it, despite all the effort and energy I put into making sure that this is done in an efficient manner. So if the package is late beyond the seller's estimated delivery window, Etsy will refund the buyer up to $500, okay? Up to $500. Orders must meet the guidelines outlined in Etsy's purchase protection program. So what does that mean for you? So the coverage is available for orders up to $500. So if it's $502, if it's $503, it's not going to work. But if it's $498, you got protection. Now, the other thing that Etsy is doing is they're also working to show more accurate estimated delivery dates to the buyers. And what that does is it will eliminate the confusion. So I will show an example of where they're doing this when a customer is at the point of purchase and adding this to their cart. It's going to show right here an estimated window of when this should arrive. So if something goes wrong and the package does not arrive during that estimated window, then you're protected under Etsy's purchase protection program, up to $500, okay? So this right here should help set buyer expectations and reduce confusion. And this is a win-win for all of us. So I'm really glad that they're stepping in to do this for us. I wanted to bring you this update so you knew what to expect this holiday season. It is super busy. There's already a lot of Etsy sellers saying that customers are leaving them negative reviews for packages not showing up on time or outside of the estimated delivery window. So now you know that you can tell your buyer to go ahead and file a claim with Etsy, and we know that they're going to cover us. So that's a good thing to know. So I hope this helped. Make sure to follow me for more updates and information on Etsy. I'm Elisa, and thank you for watching my video. If you want to learn more about business, go ahead and watch one of these videos right here.